In this Blogify review, I'm going to be showing you the power of AI content creation for blog posts. Hello everybody and welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. In this video, we'll be doing a review of Blogify. Now, many of you may remember that I did a review back in 2024, but I just wanted to update you on the product and all of the changes. Now, I'll link back to the video, the Blogify review video that I made in 2024, so in case you want to take a look at that particular video. But this video should update you on all of the new changes and all of the new things that are happening with Blogify. Now, this will be the best and honest Blogify review for you to make a decision on AppSumo's lifetime deal. Now, this is a Blogify training that should take you from basic to leaving the question behind, does Blogify work? Now, you can use this software to earn money online, and you can also create content from a lot of other formats. And we're definitely going to get into that in just a moment. Now, if you take a look at this, it has 152 reviews with an average of almost 4.5 tacos here. Well, actually 5.5 tacos. So it's an actual very robust tool that a lot of people enjoy, and I've been using this for quite some time, and we're definitely going to get into that. Okay, now Blogify is a way for you to make consistent content on all of your in creating blog content for your blog. Now, this is a way for you to optimize it as far as SEO and also using your own personal prompts as well. Now, I'm not going to take a long time with this. Let's go ahead and get into the plans and the features of this, so that way you'll know exactly what it's involved with. You're going to get lifetime access to Blogify. You're going to get all future premium plan updates. If the plan changes, they're going to be mapping you out to the new plan. You can stack up to 5 codes. And this previous AppSumo customers who purchase Blogify can buy more codes to increase. So all of those things are here, and it also comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now, there are 3 plans for you to primarily choose from. You can do Plan 1, which is $79, or Tier 1. That's normally referred to as Tier 1. You're going to be able to buy 1 code. You're going to get all of the features that I mentioned before. You're going to get 10 blog posts per month from videos, 10 posts per month from titles or short descriptions. You can upload up to 30 megabytes, and you're going to have an unlimited word count per blog. That's Tier 1. Now, if you're on the Tier 2 plan, or Plan 2, it's $158, but that's going to get you 30 blogs per month from videos, 30 posts per month from titles or short descriptions. You're going to get 50 megabytes as far as the upload size, and you're also going to get unlimited word count per blog. The third tier, or tier number 3, comes at $237. That's 3 codes. You're going to get, of course, all the features, but you're going to get 60 blog posts per month from videos. You're going to get 60 posts per month from titles or short descriptions. You're going to get an upload size of 100 megabytes, unlimited word count per blog, and SEO score optimization, automated affiliate monetizations, and blog site creation as well. So you're going to get all 3 of, in plan tier number 3, you're going to get a lot more. As you can see, you're going to get the SEO score and optimization, the automated affiliate monetization, as well as the blog site creation. And so you need to be on tier 3 if you're going to get that, okay? Now, what I want to do for you guys, I'm going to be honest with you because this is a product that I use in my business. I'm going to recommend, if you're just new to blogging and you're going to be using this to sort of try your hand at ranking your blogs and doing the things that you need to do, I'm going to recommend you start with a Plan 2, which is going to get you at least 30 blogs per month. So that's the equivalent of 1 blog per day. You're not going to typically use 1 blog per day, but this is typically, what you can do once you start to ramp up to learn and to grow and to do your blog post, okay? And I'm going to be going through a whole lot of tutorials with Blogify and just ranking a blog. For many of you that watched my video that I made the other day about SEO optimization, you guys are going to know that I'm actually working on tracking and ranking all of my videos as well as my blog posts. I've got an Excel spreadsheet now that's tracking my YouTube videos, my ideas, my YouTube tracker, and I also now have a blog tracker that I've added to this as well. This is where I track all of the things concerning my blog, and I'm going to be going over that with the members of my digital community. Now, there'll be a link in the description for you below. You can come over and learn in our digital community. I'm going to be posting some free and some paid videos up there. Right now, since my new blog that I'm working on is brand spanking new, I'm sort of keeping that behind the paywall. But if you want some good tutorials and you want to come over and ask me some questions and things like that, you can join my community for free. And you can definitely come over and ask me any kind of questions that you want to ask me. Now, let's go ahead and take a look inside of Blogify so that way you can see what exactly the product is, what it can actually do for you, and make sure that if you're interested in this product that you hit the link that's in the description below. Now, let's go over into Blogify so that way you can see it. All right, now we are inside of Blogify. Now, this is a product that you can see that I use. I've actually done about 4 new blogs this month that I've did. So I've done a total of about 4 or 5 blogs this month. And it says here that I have an active site of 0, but I do actually have a site that's on here. And I'm not sure why it's actually coming up like that. I might need to fix that. But I actually have my new site hooked to this, so I can, through the WordPress plugin that they have. As you can see, I have 2,700 available credits. I get 750 credits every single month, okay? Now, you can see I have $10 in my wallet. This is from affiliate income. So this is a product that you can use. I'm trying to tell you that you can actually use this. Now, if you scroll down, you will see it can give you your blog activity. It'll tell you how many clicks that you've had. And it'll also give you some more information on your traffic, whether your traffic's coming from mobile, whether it's coming from laptop or desktop, and it'll give you all of that information as well. And at this particular point, since it's saying that I don't have my blog hooked to it, it's not going to give me the locations. But this is how you can do that. Now, over on the left-hand side, guys, you will see the left-hand panel, which is very clean. So when you come in here, you can see how the navigation panel is very, very easy for you to sort of navigate around. So you can just simply click on my blogs. This will give you all of the blogs that you have done. It will also cover for you any drafts that you have saved. So if you've got drafts saved, you can actually go in and delete these if you need to, which I'm probably going to delete these because I've already done it. In case you have anything scheduled, you can also schedule stuff as well as publish. But this is the stuff when you're going to have to, connect your blog to it. All right. So these are all of the blogs that I have done. According to this, I've done a total of about 39 of these. And here's the good news. You can take other people's videos and you can create blog posts from them, which is very, very good. And like if you just don't have any ideas and you want to take ideas from other individuals, you can take their blog post, turn it into a blog post of your own, and go in there and edit it and make it a better blog post for yourself. So this is something that I use. Now, when it goes into websites, it will actually, you can connect a website. I'm really shocked here that it's saying that it doesn't have a website for me. It says, unfortunately, you're looking for has been moved or deleted. Go back. Okay, so I'm just going to go back. It says add a website, and then you're going to put all of that information in here. So this is like you're actually connecting the website here. So you have to set up the DNS records and all of that stuff. I'm going to be putting some videos inside of our free community on how to get a domain name and how to connect some of this stuff. All of these lessons are going to be coming, and that stuff will be free for you guys inside of the community. All right, so this is websites. Now let's talk about images. You can actually upload all of your images from your blogs that you've made. You can actually upload these. At some point you can download them. You can favorite them, and you can do all of that stuff. And that will be located inside of your image library. Now, here's a neat thing about this. You also have affiliate income that you can make from your blog posts. It will tell you what's getting clicked, what items are getting clicks, and where you have links. And so, yeah, this one got 3 clicks on it. Very interesting. AliExpress. So I find that very interesting. And it'll tell you, where you've made money, etc. Now, if I did the last 7 days, let's see, 4 clicks. And I'm trying to see up here if it's going to mention clicks over there. Let me see. Now, what would be nice if this would actually give me a lifetime viewpoint of all of the clicks up here? That would be very good. But you can definitely see it here. But you can see in the wallet it's got a $10 balance in there. But that would be neat if they had that in there. Now, this is another little feature that I like. You can actually add your affiliate links inside of here, which makes it really easy for you to go in there and actually add your affiliate links to your blog post. So if you just come in here and add your affiliate links in here, you could just go ahead and do that, make it really easy for yourself so you don't have to go out and come back in to kind of highlight stuff. You can just actually do it from there. Now, this is your wallet to let you know how much money you have in here. Your minimum withdrawal amount is $50, so you need at least 40 more bucks before you can withdraw your 50 bucks. And so you just need to, put a lot more affiliate links inside of your blog post. Okay. Now, this is where your subscription information is. I have the lifetime premium. I get 300 credits per month. That's why I have so many blogs that I can create. You can actually create about 60 blog posts per month with that. But that's where I am. I bought it a long time ago and I was able to do that. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you some other stuff here in just a minute. You can add users here, so you can add users. You also have settings in here, so you can come in here and change your settings. You can also have integrations. I've actually hooked this up to my WordPress site. As you can see, it's connected already there. Actually, because mine is self-hosted, so it's already connected, as you can see. So when I publish a blog post, it actually goes automatically to my website. It saves as a draft. So if you wanted to know that, that is available for you as well. So you can save it as a draft. All right. Now, they also have some add-ons right now. I'll mention these add-ons really quick. You can add YouTube Connect, which is $2.99 a month. This is where you could connect your YouTube channel to Blogify, and it'll generate the blogs for you. So as soon as you create the video, it will automatically, from what I understand, create the blogs for you. Now, if you get the YouTube Connect Pro, what this will do for you is it'll generate the blog post, but it'll also create video title. It'll give you some descriptions, generate some chapters, thumbnails, tags, hashtags, along with the comprehensive video summary. So it'll actually do all of that for you for $9 a month. So if you don't have the tools already that will generate all of that stuff for you, the YouTube Pro will be the add-on that you want to add on to that, because that'll give you your titles, tags, descriptions, and all of that. I've never used that, but just to give you an idea, that's what you can do with that particular product. Okay. Also, they have some upcoming features that they will mention to you. These are the things that they are currently working on. These are the ones that they've completed. And then they will say, we're working on these rich features to be able to upload any media files, docs, PDFs to create blogs. And all of these other things are the stuff that they're working on. So they're telling you what they're working on. All right. Now let's go to my blogs here, and let me just show you when you're ready to create a new blog, you just simply hit create new blog, and you're going to have some options here on how you can create those blogs. You can create those blogs from a YouTube link, from a Vimeo link, from a Rumble link, from a TikTok link, from a Facebook video. You can do a Twitter or X video, Daily Motion, one of the TED videos from TED.com. Whether you have a downloadable video link, you can do that and turn that into a blog, and you can upload your very own video files. Now, keep in mind, a lot of these video files and a lot of the stuff that you try to upload, there is an upload limit, so you want to keep that in mind. You also have options as far as audio. You can do it from Apple Podcasts, Castbox, Podchaser, Podbeam, a Podcast Addict, SoundCloud, iHeartRadio, TuneIn, Audio Link, or you can upload your own. So this just goes to show you guys, this is a really, really cool tool. You've got Amazon, Shopify, Etsy. You can turn product links into blog posts, which is really unique, which is really, really good. Convert eBay listings into blog posts, IKEA, Nike, Flipkart, Walmart, e-commerce, all of that stuff you have. If you have a blog page like a Blogger, BBC, Apple, all of these other options, or even if you have a website link, you can use that as well. If you've got a document, Google Docs, upload your own, or you can also start with a prompt and you can actually do it from a prompt. Okay, so these are the easiest ways for you to do that. And when you do it, it's very, very quick. I want to tell you guys, It's very, very easy for you to do it and to walk yourself through it. Now, I'm going to be making some additional tutorials on for Blogify, so you guys just make sure that you come back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber of my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Of course, there'll be a link in the description below. This is available right now at AppSumo on a lifetime deal. So make sure you go ahead and you grab this. I'm going to recommend for you guys at this point to grab tier number 2 or plan number 2. This is going to get you at least 30 blog posts per month. As you guys see, I'm on the premium plan, which gets me about 60 blogs per month. So we're talking about 3 codes, and I don't use up 60 blog posts, as you can see, in a month. That's a lot of blog posts. So just so you know. Now, I'm going to be doing a lot of testing this year with these AI blog posts and all of these things that create blog posts. And I'm already starting to do that with my paid members and my daily business briefings. I show them every single day a new tip, a new trick, or something that I'm doing in my business. And so I've already started the business briefings for that. So go ahead and hit the link. I promise you guys, this is going to be something that you definitely want to use in your arsenal. And I'll see you guys in my very next video.